Okay, so now I gotta find 1B, 3B, 1B. She said this is a condo. Oh, she gave me the wrong key. This is a condo, and she says it blows cold air. Oh no. So she shut it off last night because it was just blowing cold air. She shut it off with the breaker upstairs. Here we go. So the fan is running. And let's see. Code is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bad code. So that's a limit code. .33. Limit or flame rollout is open. This furnace is from 1994, and I'm going to reach up here and I'm going to push that button. You heard that snap. And we should turn this off and turn it back on. I should have just kept this out. And then it should be blinking a code 12. 1, 1, 2. Well, that's a bad thing, because normally when you reset that rollout, that heat exchanger shot. So and what we'll do, wait until this thing starts up, and then we'll kind of mosey our way outside. Gotta wait for the blower delay. Gonna have to install a new furnace. Starts up, fires, fired. Okay, it's fired. Let's go outside. That side. inside. We'll go out and give her a sniff test. I had one this morning. I couldn't even walk around the corner. It was so bad. There it is right there. Oh yeah, she's stinky. Whoo-hoo. On these 90s, if they stink really bad, it's got a bad heat exchanger. So I'm not even gonna get my meter. I'll just pin my meter. That's how much CO it's putting out. Oof, and it smells nasty. Nasty. But quick diagnostic on these older carriers, it's one of the things you look for on a bad heat exchanger. It's that limit is tripped. Guaranteed it's a bad heat exchanger. 9 times out of 10. Or 9.8 times out of 10. Could be other stuff, but I get just the way it smells outside, and it's just done. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. It's just a quick diagnostic on a old carrier furnace, bad heat exchanger. See you on the next one.